So I got the HTC VIVE Focus Vision VR headset. This headset has such an interesting blend of features, but first, what is in the box? So in the box, it comes with the headset, a glasses spacer, headset battery, charger, controllers, and then controller chargers. So the HTC VIVE Focus Vision is a standalone headset with full color mixed reality, but is also a PC VR headset all wrapped into one. It has a combined 5K resolution across both eyes, 90 hertz refresh rate. It will be able to do 120 hertz refresh rate. It has 120 degrees of freedom and an auto IPD adjuster, which means that the distance between your eyes, so that it's less blurry, automatically adjusts. That feature is pretty freaking cool. It's a bit loud, but I personally love like mechanisms and gears. I studied mechanical engineering, so for me, when I hear, I think they're gears that are turning. I love it. I think it's really cool. This headset also has dual eye tracking cameras, and it has 3D spatial audio through these speakers, and of course a microphone. One of the cool features of this headset is that the battery is hot swappable. You pull off this back gasket and that reveals the battery. And then you can just pop out the battery and swap it out. Now, the box only comes with one battery though, so there's not another one that I could switch this out to, but the headset actually has an internal battery in the front. While you're swapping out the back battery, this can stay powered on for 20 minutes. I really like how the pieces like snap into place. Like, just listen to how satisfying this is. Look at this. This is the back that covers the battery. It like snaps into place, and it's just so satisfying. Facial gasket also snaps into place quite nicely. This one has like a nice clicking sound. What I also like about this headset is that it is really comfortable on my head. Like, it's very well balanced. Probably one of the most balanced standalone headsets that I've tried without like just right out of the box. I think the center of gravity on this is quite like it's look at this. I'm holding it in the middle, and it's really balanced on your head, which is great. Now, the really interesting part about this headset for me is that Vive is known to make some of the best VR trackers in existence, and not too long ago they announced the Vive Ultimate Tracker, which is a self-tracking tracker. Oh my gosh, how many times can I say tracker? So, you know, for full body tracking, so when you see someone's avatar that's like dancing in VR and doing stuff and their body moves, that's because they have trackers all over their bodies. But usually to use these types of trackers, you need base stations in your room, in the corners of your room, so that those can locate where the trackers are in space to identify how your body is moving, because these trackers are on your body. But with the self-tracking trackers, you no longer use base stations. So I'm really excited about the fact that this headset works with the Vive Ultimate Tracker, the Vive Wrist Tracker, the facial tracker, all the standalone trackers that Vive makes works with the Vive Focus Vision headset, which to me really says that this headset is meant for social VR settings, you know, like going into VRChat or Resonate or any of these places where you can hang out with other people. So I'm gonna do that in a moment and try it out and see how it goes. A couple more hardware specifications. This is running on the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2. Of course, now there is better VR chipsets. However, if you're using this for PC VR, that really shouldn't matter. And it is using Fresnel lenses. And the cost of this headset is $999. Controllers are normal controllers, nothing crazy or special about them. They're a little bit bigger than usual, than like what we're used to feeling on controllers, but it doesn't really like bother me. The cool thing is they are really, really, really light compared to other controllers in the market. Like, these things are so light, and also they are rechargeable. They have the USB-C charging ports right in the bottom, and In the box, you do get this controller charger. So it's has one and then two on the other side for both controllers. Okay, I am in VRChat using the Vive wired streaming kit, which is supposed to be really good. And honestly, oh my gosh, I am in love with this world. It's so beautiful. Is this boba? Oh my gosh, where the heck am I? How did I end up in this world? This is like my favorite world ever. Wait, everything here looks so good. Like, I want to eat this little cat. Whoa. 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 Okay. Did you see this? Wait. Okay, look, I'm like going to walk into the moonlight and there's actually like rays of moonlight. Because this is pretty wild to experience in VR. This is so realistic. Very realistic here. Oh my gosh, that little shooting, it's this is beautiful. Wow. So, of course this is using Fresnel lenses, so there is like a tiny bit of like the God rays, I would say. But like this lighting here is very different from like the mild artifacts that I'm getting. But overall, this is beautiful and it's running very, very smoothly. And the rain. Oh man, this is cute little. Okay, all right, focus. I need to try some other stuff. Okay, high quality mirror. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is insane how clear this is. Pretty impressed. Because I did try using this headset playing PC VR before with just a regular cable, but using the actual Vive wired streaming kit makes it look so much better. Like, so much better. Wow, that is actually significantly different. I can't get over this world. I feel like such a nerd. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I just want to look at everything. The reflection on this glass, insane. The way that these like little light bulbs like glow, the little fairy lights, like the little glow coming out of that, like the texture of this looking extra fluffy. So good. I would just spend so much time in here. Okay, we'll try one more world in VRChat and then maybe try one more game after. Memories of Christmas? Okay, that's appropriate. It's like the holiday season. It's December. Wow. Oh man. That's so good. Look at this. It's just shining. Look at this glow. Again, it's not perfect because it's still using Fresnel lenses, but this is very impressive. Not perfect, but it looks so good. It's like eye candy. I don't know why I keep doing the peace sign. Stop doing the peace sign. Okay, there. It just looks absolutely insane. I think I need to spend way more time in VRChat. This is beautiful. And on this headset specifically, it has to be with the Vive wired streaming kit. Like, this is where the magic is. It looks so good. Holiday themed. I think I need to change avatars. This cat keeps purring. No more cat purring. It looks so good. Earlier, when I was in the menu area, like it was so glaringly obvious before I went to VRChat that I'm using a headset that has Fresnel lenses. But now that I'm in here and there's all these graphics, like I'm actively trying to look for distortion and I can't see it. Like the Vive wired streaming kit, I don't know what, I'm stumped. Like, why can't I see the distortion? Oh wow, I'm massive. Why am I so big? Well, I'm just a very big person. I guess like if you try really hard, like look, if I tilt my head this way, I see the light bulbs kind of like a little bit shining this way. Yeah, okay, I guess I can see a tiny bit there, but ooh, I can stick my head in. But it's totally fine. Like it's not really bothering me much. Look at this detail. This, look at these glowing colors. Like they're changing. Oh, like it's very, very clear in here with this headset what's happening. Let's try a different game that's not VRChat, just for science. Okay, yeah, in the menu area, when it's like white in the middle and then black all around, you can really see like the God rays a lot more. But again, here, I'm like closing one eye and like looking through the other eye. I really can't see the distortion from the Fresnel lenses. And everything looks really good. I don't know why that is. I mean, the only thing I can think of is like the white versus the black. The controllers here feel really good. Like, this is actually really nice. It's so smooth. Like, look at me, I'm just gliding through the water. This is so smooth. Maybe, okay, let's see, let's go somewhere. I'm gonna go to Antarctica. That sounds nice. Free room. Nighttime. Maybe we'll see some northern lights in there. Oh, there it is. The northern lights. Yeah, okay, that's what it is. See here, the moon is white against like a black background, and you can definitely see it shining on the lenses. That's the one part where, the one section where it's like a little bit more obvious. Whoa, wait. I think I actually need to do this in sunset. I want to see more like lights. Yeah, this is lovely. And I don't know, like the controllers, as I'm like putting it into the water feels like crunchy. It's like slush. I feel like I'm dipping my controllers into like slushy ice water. That's how the haptics feel like.